welcome back to my channel Colorful Threads English. Today I am going to show you a very beautiful and very lovely baby booties. This booty is for 6 to 9 month baby, and if you want to make something new or something different for your baby, then you can try this. This is a very simple, very easy and very lovely or fast making project. I have used a different type of stitch in it, and due to this stitch it looks beautiful and very pretty. So stay connected with me till the end of this video. I will tell you how you can make this beautiful booties. So let's start the video, but before starting the video I have a request, friend, that if you are new in my channel then please subscribe my channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon to get notification of my new videos. If you like this video then please give me a thumbs up and comment on my video. So let's start the video. So here I am using 3 ply wool and 2.5 mm crochet hook. First of all, take measurement of your kid's feet. I mean, if the foot size is 10 cm or 11 cm, then make chains just double of it. So here I will start with 50 chains, and after that I will show you how long it is. So make 50 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here I will make 50 chains. So here I have completed my 50 chains, and these chains are approx 20 centimeters. Approx 20 centimeter it is. So if your kid size is 10 centimeter, kid's feet size is 10 centimeter, then you can make 50 chains, just double of the size of your kid's feet. Okay, now start to make the booties. So now here I will make one more extra chain, and now skip this chain and start to make single crochet from the next one. One single crochet, one more in the next one. So make one single crochet in each. This whole booties will depend on single crochet only. I will make this booties only with single crochet. So make one single crochet and over this row, one single crochet in each chain and just over this row. And now at last make one chain, turn your work and start make next row again with single crochet. So make one single crochet in the very first single crochet, insert the hook into the next one and make one single crochet here. Make one single crochet in each and complete this row. In this way you have to make just 14 round of single crochet. Make 14 such rows only of single crochet. This is the second round. Make one single crochet in each. Again turn your work and make single crochet. So make 14 rows of single crochet and complete your work. Okay, now here I have completed my 14 row. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 and 14, and the size now is just 6 centimeter. Okay, here I will use 2 markers. So first of all, just count 8 single crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. This is the 8th one. So use a marker here. This is the 8th one, and here I will use a marker. And do the same in next size. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is the 8th one, and use a marker in this one. now add your thread again, but from the right side. This is the right side, so I will add my thread here. So add your thread in the next single crochet and again start to make single crochets. Make one chain and single crochet, one single crochet, and in each single crochet and reached at the next marker point. Make one single crochet and reached at the next marker point. Okay, now I am again at the next marker point. Just remove the marker and don't do any work in these single crochet. Make a chain, turn your work, and now make the design. So in the very first single crochet, just take a loop like single crochet, and now do as I am doing. Take loop like this and just okay, and now over these loops just hold this long loop from your finger and make a single crochet here. Look again in the next one. First of all, take a loop in your crochet hook. Just hold the thread in your finger like this and do as I am doing, and just over these loops from your crochet hook. Again from the next one, this is the design which I am making. You can see long loops. Again in the next one, first of all, take a loop in your crochet hook, hold the thread like this and just hold it. Only over one loop from the crochet hook and just hold this loop from your finger and over these two loops from the hook. Again in the next one, first of all take a loop, over one loop, hold this long loop from your finger and over these all loops. So do the same and over this row and complete it from the starting point. Here where you have added your thread or you have made your first single crochet, so make the design till the end. And now look, after first round, this is the proper look of the work. And for next round, again make a chain and start to make single crochet in each single crochet. Okay, just make one single crochet for the next row. Make one single crochet in each and make it till the end. One single crochet and just over your row. Okay, now I have completed my single crochet row and here I will repeat this design again. You have to make only this design 4 times. So make one chain, turn your work, and in the very first double crochet just take a loop. Take loop in your finger and do as I am doing. Just do the same design. Make a single crochet here. Again in the next one, do the same. Take a loop in your finger over the first loop and hold it with your finger and make a single crochet. So just repeat this design again and make it 4 times. In this row, do this design. In the next row, again make a row of single crochet, or in the 1, 2, this is the third row. After that, make 4th row of single crochet, 5th row again of this design, 6th row again of single crochet, 7th row again the same design, and 8th row of single crochet. So just make 6 more row. This is the third row, 4th, 5th, 6th, 7th and 8th. Just repeat this design 4 times. This is the second time. Make it third time and 4th time, and just over your work. And now I have completed my work, 4 rounds of the same design, and it looks beautiful. It's time to sew this part and complete your project. Just fold it, use a needle and start to sew it. Only this part, this one, and after that this part, this one, and this the bottom part. Okay. I will start from here. It's very easy to sew it. Not a very difficult or a tough work. Just use a needle and simply sew the edges of this booties. Okay, like this. Sew the whole part and complete your work. This part, this one, and the bottom part. Now look what a beautiful and lovely booties this is. After sewing it, you can see the proper look of this booty, and it looks very beautiful. So friends, I hope you will like this video, and if like, then please give me a thumbs up and subscribe my channel if you are new in my channel. I will meet you in my next video. Till then, bye bye, thank you, and have a nice day.